Venus, the second planet from the Sun, has always captivated our imagination. Its bright reflective clouds make it one of the most visible objects in our night sky, often referred to as the morning star or evening star. It is similar in size and mass to Earth, earning it the title of Earth's twin. However, the similarities end there, as Venus's environment is vastly different from our own. Shrouded in thick clouds, Venus has remained an enigma for centuries. These clouds are composed of sulfuric acid, making the planet's atmosphere highly toxic and corrosive. Its dense atmosphere traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. This phenomenon causes surface temperatures to soar to extreme levels. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. The average surface temperature on Venus is around 467 degrees Celsius. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus has fascinated astronomers for generations. The planet's brightness and proximity to Earth have made it a prime target for observation and study. Early observations revealed little about its true nature. Ancient astronomers could only speculate about what lay beneath its thick cloud cover. The thick clouds obscured its surface, leaving scientists to speculate about what lay beneath. Some imagined a lush tropical world, while others thought it might be a barren desert. Was Venus a lush paradise, teeming with life? This question fueled many theories and artistic impressions over the years, or was it a barren wasteland, scorched by the intense heat? The reality, as we would later discover, was far more extreme than anyone had imagined. The development of radar technology in the mid-20th century allowed us to penetrate Venus's veil for the first time. This breakthrough provided a clearer picture of the planet's surface. We discovered a world covered in volcanoes, vast plains, and towering mountains. The surface is marked by extensive volcanic activity, with some volcanoes possibly still active today. The surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead, making it impossible for liquid water to exist. This extreme heat is a result of the thick atmosphere trapping solar radiation. These findings shattered our early hopes of finding a twin of Earth. The dream of a habitable Venus was replaced by the reality of a hostile, uninhabitable world. However, recent discoveries have rekindled our curiosity about the possibility of life on Venus. New research suggests that microbial life could potentially exist in the upper layers of the atmosphere. While the surface remains inhospitable, the planet's atmosphere may hold clues to a different story. The search for life on Venus continues as scientists explore the mysteries of our enigmatic neighbor. In 2020, a team of astronomers announced a groundbreaking discovery that captured the attention of scientists and the public alike. Using powerful telescopes, they detected the presence of phosphine gas in Venus's atmosphere, a finding that was both unexpected and intriguing. This simple molecule, composed of one phosphorus atom and 3 hydrogen atoms, sent shockwaves through the scientific community, raising numerous questions. On Earth, phosphine is primarily associated with life, particularly with certain types of bacteria. These bacteria thrive in oxygen-poor environments such as swamps, marshlands, and even the intestines of animals. The detection of phosphine on Venus immediately sparked speculation about its origin, leading to a flurry of scientific activity. Could it be a sign of microbial life floating in the planet's clouds, surviving in the harsh acidic environment? Or was there a non-biological explanation for its presence, such as unknown geological or chemical processes? Scientists scrambled to explain the unexpected finding, proposing various geological and chemical processes that could produce phosphine, but none were conclusive. The debate over the source of Venus's phosphine continues to this day, with passionate arguments on both sides. Some researchers argue that the detected levels are too high to be explained by abiotic processes alone, suggesting a biological origin. Others remain skeptical, emphasizing the need for further evidence and more data, before concluding that life exists on our neighboring planet Venus. In 2021, a team led by scientist Rakesh Moghul published a study that added another layer to the Venus puzzle. They analyzed archival data from NASA's Pioneer Venus spacecraft, which explored Venus in the late 1970s. To their surprise, they found evidence of several other chemicals in Venus's atmosphere that are considered potential biosignatures. These chemicals included hydrogen sulfide, carbon disulfide, and carbonyl sulfide. Like phosphine, these molecules are often associated with biological processes on Earth. Their presence in Venus's atmosphere further fueled the debate about the possibility of life on our neighboring planet. The recent discoveries have led scientists to focus their attention on Venus's middle atmosphere. At altitudes between 30 and 40 miles above the surface, temperatures and pressures are much more hospitable than the scorching heat below. This region, known as the cloud deck, could potentially harbor microscopic life forms. The idea of life in Venus's clouds is not entirely new. Carl Sagan, a renowned astronomer and science communicator, proposed this possibility in the 1960s. He suggested that microorganisms could survive in the relatively temperate and water-rich environment of the cloud deck, shielded from the harsh conditions below. Scientists believe that Venus may have once been a much different place. Billions of years ago, our solar system was young, and the sun was dimmer than it is today. Venus may have had a more temperate climate with oceans of liquid water on its surface. If life arose on early Venus, it's possible that it adapted to the changing conditions as the planet heated up. Perhaps some life forms retreated to the relative safety of the clouds. There, they could have evolved to survive in the acidic environment, using sunlight and chemical reactions as their energy sources. The recent discoveries of phosphine and other potential biosignatures suggest that this scenario, while speculative, is not entirely implausible. The possibility of life on Venus has ignited a renewed sense of urgency in the scientific community. To answer this profound question, we need to send dedicated missions to Venus. These missions should include orbiters, probes, and even potential sample return missions. Orbiters can study the planet's atmosphere in greater detail, searching for additional biosignatures and mapping the distribution of key chemicals. Probes can descend into the cloud deck, taking measurements and collecting samples for analysis. Sample return missions, while more challenging, could provide definitive proof of the presence or absence of life. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound endeavors in science. It is a quest that has captivated human imagination for centuries, driving us to look beyond our own planet and into the vast unknown. It forces us to confront fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. Are we a unique phenomenon, or just one of many forms of life scattered across the universe? Are we alone in the universe? This question has profound implications for our understanding of life and our place in the grand scheme of things. Or is life a common occurrence sprinkled throughout the vast expanse of space? The possibility that life exists elsewhere challenges our perceptions and expands our horizons. The exploration of Venus, with its tantalizing hints of life, has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Venus, with its harsh environment, presents a unique opportunity to study the resilience of life. If we find evidence of even the simplest life forms on our neighboring planet, it would suggest that life is not a fluke, but rather a fundamental characteristic of the cosmos. This discovery would have profound implications for biology, chemistry, and our understanding of life's origins. It would transform our perspective on the universe and inspire us to continue searching for life among the stars. The knowledge that we are not alone would ignite a new era of exploration and discovery. The pursuit of knowledge, driven by curiosity and wonder, is what propels us forward as a species. It is this relentless drive that has led us to explore the farthest reaches of space and to seek answers to the most profound questions. The exploration of Venus is a testament to this spirit of discovery, reminding us that there is still much to learn about our universe and the mysteries it holds. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the cosmos and our place within it.